Hey there, this is Jane and I am here to give you a quick tour of the OneCore Class and OneCore Family apps. If you are a childcare provider or staff member, you will use the OneCore Class app to manage all activities for children under your care and to provide updates for their respective family members or parents. Upon logging in, the first thing you'll see is a list of all your classrooms. When you click inside one specific classroom, you'll see a list of children scheduled to attend on the current date. If they are not signed in to your classroom already, you can sign them in yourself. To do this, click on the Sign In button at the bottom left-hand side. Once there, you can sign children in individually or as a group by tapping on the images of all those you want to add. If you want to sign in all children's schedules, then you can simply click on Select All and they will all be signed in automatically. The same is true when it's time to sign them out. Once the children are signed in, you can record their activities throughout the day. Activities can include food consumed, diaper changes, naps, incidents, and homework. When you record activities on the app, you have the option to record them for one child, a group of children, or all children in your classroom. To do so, all you have to do is select the child or children for which the update will apply and fill out all the details. Depending on the activity, you will have options to include notes, photos, videos, and specific comments you want the children's families to see. Finally, you can move children from one classroom to another whenever needed. Every activity you publish on the app will be reflected instantly in the child's profile and families will see everything when they log into the OneCore Family app. The OneCore Family app is a favorite among the parents. With it, they stay up to date with their children's activities and with any center updates and information. When parents log into their Family app, they see any new updates about their child in their home screen. To view a more detailed timeline of each of their children's activities, they can then go to their child's profile, click on Timeline, and they will see a full calendar of every recorded activity, including times, dates, photos, and videos of their child. Families can also update important information about their child, including immunizations, allergies, special diets, any medications they might be taking, and doctor information. They can also update those contacts who are authorized or restricted from picking up the children at any given moment. Further, families can see their center account balance and can issue any outstanding payments directly from their app. Something families really appreciate is the ability to communicate with staff directly via the app. To do this, they simply click on Messages and select the staff member with whom they wish to communicate. In addition to all this, the apps also include other features such as check-in and check-out, daily eHealth screenings that both parents and staff can complete, center notifications, and much more. This concludes our tutorial for today. If you need additional support, you can always visit our OneCore knowledge base or contact our 24/7 support team by writing to support@onecoresolution.com.